I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This one is 20 layers pen racks. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length will be 20.5 inches wide and 26 inches in the depth. And the overall height for the racks will be 69.5 inches tall. As we can see, they have a total 4 wheels at the bottoms. They have lockers, and also they're having about like 20 shelvings for this unit. And for the rack space, it's about like 25 inches for the shelvings and 18 inches in the width. And between each layers, about like 3 inches. This will be the all information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.